So the new way that we get ships in and out of the water when they're getting worked on or being built, whoa, sorry, I gotta adjust here, is with these type of deals. It's a basically a bunch of tow straps strung between two crane arms and on wheels, and it'll roll out onto that little dock right there, which doesn't have it's two piers that are basically tracked for the wheels, and the vessel will sit in the center in between those, and it rolls out there, dips down, picks a vessel up, brings it to the dry dock, or vice versa. When they build a new ship, they put it in that thing and then they drive it out over the water and set it down. Pretty cool.